Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna start doing these little Thirsty Thursdays and just try out new drinks because I feel like I want to get out of my comfort zone and try different things. So I figure an easy one would be just trying out different drinks. And if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And so this one today I was trying is the pink drink, which is I think strawberry acai and coconut milk in there. It's like 4 ingredients. So yeah, this has been really popular on TikTok, so I figured I would try it. So yeah, let's go. It tastes pretty sweet. I feel like it tastes like a pink Starburst, but I like it, so it's like juice and then like I want to say I really like it. So if you guys like this little Thirsty Thursday review, let me know down in the comments below, and if you can give me a like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next Thirsty Thursdays. Bye!